What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a face pull.
Alright, and this is the face pull. Taking a look at the posture, the body should be leaning back at about a 30 to 45 degree angle. When it comes to feet placement, the feet should be staggered in order to maximize balance. When performing this exercise, the body should be leaning back anywhere from 30 to 45 degrees. At the top of each rep, the elbow should be flared at ear level. And the primary targets of this exercise, the trapezius and the rear delts. And switching to the hammer grip variation allows you to target the mid-upper back rather than the rear delts. Okay, and there's two good ways you can mess this exercise up. One, keeping the feet close together can cause you to lose balance. And two, pulling with the elbows too low. So this can cause the engagement of the lats rather than the engagement of the rear delts and the mid-upper back. And let's go through it one more time to show you how it's done.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a face pull. Until next time.